Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video where I'll be painting a green aloe plant. This is actually the second painting in my series. The first one was an orange rose, which I will link up above if you missed it. And this one is the second one, and then I've got a yellow lily coming up next week, and then 3 others. So I'm doing all primary colors and secondary colors in the 6-part series. So for the paints, I am using a transparent mixing white, titanium white, a blue, red, and yellow. And then I'm also using a slow dry blending gel medium, which is really helpful. I have just found this product recently, but I really like it. I will put a picture up and I will put a link to it in the description. Highly recommend. And then I've got Artist Loft palette knives as well. So those are the products that I'm using, and as you can see, I've already started filling in some of the petals on my aloe plant, and I'm starting with the medium tone green and then adding the light tone green or the deeper green to add shading and value. My light source is going to be from above my plant, so later on I will add shadows as well. I don't show the mixing process for that here, but it is basically the deeper green with just a dot more of the blue and the red. And I only use very small amounts of the red and blue because they're very strong against the yellow, so just keep that in mind when you're mixing. And here I've mixed up everything once just to show you, but I go along and mix up again throughout the painting. So you definitely will need a lot more than the initial amount, but I just wanted to show you all of the colors so we could paint this together. The brushes that I'm using for this piece are the Blick Scholastic Wonder White Bright, and that is a size 16. It is a flat brush. And then the second one is an angular brush, size 4 from Princeton Art and Brush Co. And then you'll also need just a small detail brush. Any one you have is fine, just to get in any details and touch-up work. One thing that I found when I was mixing my colors was that I wouldn't mix them all exactly the same. So for example, like I would mix up a green and then like one time I would add a little bit more blue to make it like a little more of like a teal, and then I would add a little bit more yellow to the next time I mix it up just to create some variation, which I really liked, so I would recommend. But of course, if you want to mix them all exactly the same, that's totally up to you. And as I'm finishing up this painting, I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video. I hope this inspires you to create something. This is, again, part 2 in a 6-part series, so next week we have a yellow lily flower coming up. So if you don't want to miss that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you get notified. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone!